Hi everyone, thank you so much for coming to my video. My name is Faye and I make videos all about makeup, hair, and all things glam related. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, go ahead and hit the subscribe button right now. Today's video is going to be this easy, beautiful smoky eye, affordable, quick. This is probably the easiest tutorial you'll ever watch when it comes to smoky eye. 1, 2, 3, you're done, you're out the door. It's beautiful. Anyone of any color or complexion can rock the colors that I use and the methods that I use, and I only use 2 to 3 tools to achieve this look. So if you would like to know how I achieved this easy, quick, affordable smoky eye look, please keep watching. Mwah. First step is to grab our cheek leader palette. You guys are sick of me for saying this if you watch me. I'm going to go all over my lid with the original Hoola just to warm it up a little bit, okay? This is something that I do before any look because this is a bronzer that I use all over my face and I feel like it brings that natural contour to my eye. Especially when we're doing a smoky eye, you want a kind of bronze, blonde, well, not blonde, but like bronze up base, because if you are too pale on the lid, then your dark colors are going to look a little bit funny. All right, so now the only palette that we need is this cute little Morphe little palette. You can use your own palettes, whatever colors work for you. Today I'm going to use this palette because I feel like the colors that are in here, they are really gorgeous, and I don't want to use black for my smoky eye. That's my trick. I don't use black. I use dark brown because I feel like with my brunette features and my dark eyebrows, it's more flattering. So I'm going to grab this Morphe brush by Jeffree Star Cosmetics and Morphe collab, and I'm going to start by applying this lighter brown shade right here all over my lid. So I like to lay my lighter brown, well, this looks dark to you guys, but it's the lighter shade that we're going to use. I like to lay my lighter brown shade all over my lid because I feel like that'll give me kind of an idea as to where I want the dark. This is just going all over your lid in windshield motion, back and forth. Super easy, you guys. This look is not supposed to be like a seamless, perfect Instagram look. Listen, all those looks that you guys see on Instagram, they've been retouched, they've been photoshopped for the gods, and that's just the truth. I mean, if you see those eyes in person, they don't look seamless at all. Okay, it's just not reality. So don't worry about it. Don't let that discourage you, and don't go based on photos that you see on the internet. Okay, the internet tells the truth sometimes and lies another time. I'm gonna use the same brush and I'm gonna move on to the darker brown shade right next to it, and I'm just gonna tap a little bit, and I'm gonna go on the outer corner of my eye, and instead of the windshield motion, I'm going to give it that back and forth blend, circular in the outer corner of my eye. Gonna do the same thing on this eye, back and forth. You want to pack that color on in the outer corner and kind of bring that from the top. Again, I like to work back and forth between both eyes because I feel like that'll give me a better control as to how much color I want laid out. Okay, so we're gonna grab a little more, and you're gonna bring that down kind of the second half of your lid, and you're gonna go on the outer corner, and that's basically it as far as smoking out your lid. I'm going to go in with my original brush that I used, my Hoola bronzer, and I'm kind of, this is a great method for buffing everything out and giving it that without adding any more product, giving it that seamless blended look. And you're going to blend everything out. Then I'm going to grab the sponge that I did my bake with and kind of clean up over here, and that's it, you guys. Again, you can use your tape, but I like to use bake because I don't like that clean of a look. And that's it. So now I'm going to go in with this gorgeous darker color. So we started here, moved on to this. Now we're going with our third color and a thinner brush. You can use a definer brush, but I like to use this because I don't like when I wear a smoky eye for my eyeliner to be perfect, because I want my lashes to do the work, and I want my smoky eyeshadow to do the speaking. So I'm going to tap that in, and we're going to use that darker color on our eyelashes for like that liner. So you're gonna go back and forth, and you're gonna lay that darker color on your lash line, and it's going to act as an eyeliner. I don't like to use a dark eyeliner, and then you're going to drag it out. Okay, then you can grab your sponge and you can clean it up again if you want that sharper look. I don't like to use a black eyeliner because, again, I'm going to use my lashes and my mascara to give me that darker eye look. You're going to do the same thing on this eye. You're going to drag it out. Okay, now when you do use a shadow for your eye, it helps if you hold your eye like this and stretch it out and kind of smoke out the line. We need more. You guys, these colors work for my complexion and I love them. Again, I stay away from black smoky eye because I just feel like these are more flattering for my complexion. And that's basically it for our upper eye. I feel like I need a little more dark here, so I'm just going to add that on. Do not add any more color, just kind of go in with the color that's on your brush. And also I'm going to leave my eyes matte because I feel like that just looks better when you're wearing a smoky eye. I don't like highlighter on my eyebrow bone. So that's it. So that's it for our shadow and our liner. Now we're gonna go into our lower lash line, and I'm gonna grab this dark color on top, but you can also go in with the one on the bottom. I'm gonna use the same brush that I used for my eyeliner, and I'm going to smoke out my lower lash line. Now you are going to be super generous when you smoke out your lower lash line, and kind of go a little bit lower than you usually do and bring that up in the corner. Gonna repeat the same thing. You guys, I like to leave my bake while I do this because, you know, with darker colors you never know when you're gonna have an accident. So again, I'm gonna grab my sponge and I'm gonna do some cleaning. Okay, cleaning, and that's it. And now our last step, I'm going to grab my Urban Decay All Nighter. This is a super soft pencil, and I'm going to smoke out my upper lash line. This is not an easy step for beginners, so please make sure that you're taking your time when you do this if you haven't done this yet. And then I'm also going to go in my lower lash line, and I'm just going to focus on the outer instead of inner, because that's not flattering on my eye. And that's basically it. I'm going to go ahead and put on some mascara and pop on my individual lashes. Again, I have a tutorial on my page. If you would like to check it out, go ahead and check the description box down below, and I'll be right back to wrap up this look. Alright, our lashes are done. As you guys can see, this look is all put together. Mascara and lashes make a huge difference. Again, I have a link down below if you would like to see that tutorial. But as far as this look, this is my go-to smoky eye. It's easy, it's quick, and it's affordable. You guys, MORPHE makes beautiful products. The shadows blend amazing. You don't need to go spend $60 on an eyeshadow palette, and you don't need a billion colors. All you need is 3 base colors. And I know that I use my Cheek Leader Hula palette to lay all over my lid because that's just my go-to. But you can use any bronzer from the drugstore that does exactly the same. You don't have to use the same products that I use to achieve the look. This is kind of like to give you that overview of what I use. But you can use any bronzer that you want. I hope that you enjoyed the tutorial. By the way, I want to remind you that I am still not wearing any foundation. I am going with my no foundation look, and I have that video linked down below. This is my most recent video, so go ahead and check that out. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for spending time with me. Bye.